Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. Use 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 TSB baking soda, and 1/2 TSB salt to create a stable cookie structure. In a separate bowl, cream 1/2 cup softened butter with 1 cup packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup white sugar until the mixture is light and slightly fluffy for moisture and chew. Add 2 large eggs and 1 TSB vanilla to bind and flavor the dough. Fold in 1 cup chocolate chips at the end to distribute evenly. Combine wet and dry ingredients gently. Fold the flour mixture into the creamed butter and sugars until just blended. Do not overmix or the cookies will become tough. For cleaner shape and deeper flavor, chill the dough for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Cold dough spreads less and caramelizes better in the oven. Portion the dough with a scoop into roughly 1.5-inch balls, place them about 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and press any extra chocolate chips onto the tops for a professional look. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and position a rack in the center for even heat distribution. Bake cookies for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden and the centers look set but slightly soft. After removing from the oven, cool cookies on the baking sheet for 5 minutes to finish cooking and to prevent breakage. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely for the best texture. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or freeze for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.